2020 has ended and we're finally here in 2021. Thank you so much for joining me. This is Abdurrahman. I'm going to be going over a few things about myself, about Illumiax, about GeneroPack, and stay tuned. From my educational experience, I mentioned that I graduated from Washington State University with a bachelor's in 2013. And then in 2017, I got my MSEE from the same university. And soon enough, I'll get my another master's degree in engineering technology management. I started my career as a system protection engineer in the power systems area. And another reason why it was a huge motivator for me at that time was because I knew that teaching was one of the best ways of actually learning. And I got comments from all over the world about just thanking me for just these simple videos that I was able to create and help others with. I think the more videos that I create, it keeps me at a high spirit. This is probably the first time I'm actually recording myself in front of the camera and then sharing it to the World Wide Web, right? Multiple people came up to me and they said, "Hey, your voice sounds very familiar. What's going on here? I feel like I've known you for a while and I just can't put my finger on it. What's happening? Where do I know you from?" So I said, maybe it's the GeneroPack YouTube channels. And they were like, "Oh my God, I get a sense of fulfillment when I feel like I'm giving back to the community." And so now it's GeneroPack by Illumiax, and it adds more value to our user base. These fundamental sessions are free for everyone, everywhere, and they will continue. We'll continue to provide more value, continue to add more content on the fundamental session. So we also want to develop these highly exclusive courses for industry professionals that are very highly sought after. This video gives you an idea of who that person is behind the voice over the so many years and so many video tutorials that we've done since 2015. Thank you and take care, and hopefully 2021 will be a better year.